Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated utility vehicles of the year, the 2025 Isuzu D-Max, a pickup that's built to blend rugged toughness with refined modernity. The latest D-Max carries forward Isuzu's reputation for durability while offering updates that aim to challenge rivals in both comfort and performance. Let's get started with what greets us first, the exterior. The 2025 model doesn't reinvent the D-Max, but it definitely refines it. Up front, the bold grille has been restyled with a more aggressive, angular design that commands attention. The LED headlamps are now sleeker and integrated with daytime running lights, giving the front end a sharp and contemporary look. The muscular hood lines add character without overcomplicating the design, and the new skid plate hints at the D-Max's off-road intentions. From the side, the D-Max shows off its familiar stance, but with updated elements that make it more athletic. The wheel arches are slightly flared, emphasizing its 4x4 capability. It rides on stylish alloy wheels, ranging from 17 to 20 inches depending on the variant, paired with all-terrain tires that look ready for any challenge. The character lines on the side profile are clean but purposeful, drawing your eyes along. The length of the truck without feeling bulky. Chrome accents on higher trims add a touch of elegance, while the door handles and side mirrors come in either black or body color finishes, depending on the spec. Moving to the rear, the updates are subtle but effective. The tailgate now features a more sculpted design with an integrated spoiler lip, and the LED taillights have been redesigned for better visibility and a more modern aesthetic. The bumper integrates steps for easier bed access, and the cargo bed itself remains as durable as ever, with optional liners and accessory rails for extra utility. A rear-view camera is cleanly tucked beneath the handle, and higher trims include rear parking sensors as standard. Inside, the 2025 D-Max sees a much-needed refresh. The cabin is far more refined than before, offering better materials, improved ergonomics, and a more driver-focused layout. Depending on the trim, you'll find soft touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and even leather upholstery on top-end variants. The dashboard design is symmetrical and clean, centered around a new infotainment system that ranges from 7 to 9 inches. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the interface feels significantly more responsive than before. The instrument cluster combines analog dials with a digital multi-information display that provides everything from off-road metrics to driver assistance data. The seats are supportive with good bolstering for long drives or bumpy trails, and there's ample legroom both front and rear, especially in the double cab variants. Storage is smartly integrated, with multiple cubbies, bottle holders, and under-seat compartments. When it comes to performance, the 2025 D-Max offers a choice of diesel engines, most notably a 3.0-liter turbo diesel that produces around 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission, the powertrain delivers a strong balance of torque and fuel economy. On-road, the D-Max feels composed and more refined than previous generations. The steering is well-weighted and responsive, and ride quality has improved thanks to retuned suspension that better absorbs road imperfections. Off-road, the D-Max continues to impress. With a shift-on-the-fly 4WD system, rear differential lock, and impressive ground clearance, it tackles rough terrain confidently. Whether you're fording rivers, climbing trails, or navigating mud and gravel, the D-Max maintains its composure. Isuzu's engineering has focused on maintaining the truck's reliability under stress, and it shows. As for pricing, the 2025 Isuzu D-Max starts competitively. Entry-level trims begin in the mid-$30,000 range, with higher-end variants climbing into the low $50,000s. The value here lies not just in the initial price, but in long-term durability and lower maintenance costs. Isuzu's reputation for building reliable workhorses means you're less likely to face frequent issues down the road, making it a smart investment for both commercial use and lifestyle buyers. If you're considering the D-Max, here are a few suggestions. Go for the higher trim if you value creature comforts like leather, advanced infotainment, and a better safety suite. However, the base and mid-level trims still offer great capability and practicality. Also, if you plan to tow or carry heavy loads regularly, the 3.0-liter engine is the better choice due to its stronger torque curve. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 Isuzu D-Max? It's clear that Isuzu has been listening to its audience. The updates are thoughtful, not flashy, and enhance the truck's usability without compromising on the brand's core values of durability and functionality. It's not the flashiest pickup in the segment, but it might just be the most honest. Fun, built to work, built to last, and now, built to do so with more comfort and technology than ever before. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future uploads. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new D-Max and whether you'd consider it over its competitors. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.